guys, it's Riley from Science Girl, and today we're going to be doing a changing leaves experiment. This is going to be based on chlorophyll, which, since it's fall, is the perfect time to do this. So for this, you're going to need some beakers, some isopropyl alcohol. I got 70%. You can find this in the first aid aisle. A small container is about all that you will need, and a few leaves. I have a red, a green, and a yellow leaf. Now you're also going to need some boiling water, which I have going on right behind me. Make sure you have adult supervision if you're going to do that. You're also going to need a pair of tongs to pull them out. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my alcohol while that is boiling, and I am going to fill these up to the exact same amount on each, just to make sure that we have as few variables as possible. If I could pop this. Let's see what I can do just to make sure. Here, I'm going to grab something to pop this, that way I don't spill it everywhere. Okay, so I got some safety goggles and a butter knife, so I can pop this thing wide open, just like that. And then just come around the edge and peel it up. Ooh, yeah, very strong. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and I am going to put isopropyl alcohol up to the 100 fill line on here. There's one. Two. And three. And I adjust enough. Got about a third of a bottle left, so we'll see what other experiments I can use with that in the future. Okay, so we have everything set up for our beakers. Now we just have to wait for our water to boil. Still working on that. So when that boils, with an adult's help, you're going to want to place your leaves in and let them boil for 5 minutes. Once you're done that, come back and I'll show you what to do. Okay, so my timer is going to go off in less than 30 seconds, so if you notice, the water has changed colors a little bit, so we're going to have to swap out our water for the third. But the leaves also don't sink, and as you can tell, they also lost a little bit of their color too. So when that goes off, don't forget to have a pair of safety goggles, tongs, and some adult supervision if you're on the younger side. You're going to take one of your little beakers, and you're going to place the leaf in it. So I'm just going to wait for my timer to go off. Yep. All done. And now we're going to come over and we're going to pick up our leaf and we're going to place it into our solution, if it will come off. Oh no. Oh no. Come on. There we go. And then just gently push it down. There. So now we have the leaf in our solution. Now we're going to shut this off and this off. That way that one doesn't boil anymore. And I'm actually going to fill this one up a little bit more because we're working with a bigger leaf, so let me add a little bit more to it. Let me bring it up to the 150. That way we have enough for our other one. And let's pick up this leaf. Fair warning, the leaves and the water on them are very hot, so if you're on the younger side, once again, be careful. There we go. So we have both of our leaves in the solution. Now what we're going to do is we're going to swap out the water and we're going to boil our third. We're going to put it in here. So let me put that cap back on. This solution, the boiling, what it did was it opened the pores in the leaves, therefore the chlorophyll and chloroplasts can leave and they're going to dye our water. So we're going to see what color the chlorophyll and chloroplasts are when they're actually in the solution. The solution helps remove it, so our leaves shouldn't have too much color in them, because chlorophyll and chloroplasts are what gives the leaves their actual color, which is why there's so many different ones, because there's different chloroplasts in every different leaf. So we're going to boil this one and we'll be right back. Okay, so we let these sit for a few days just to see if it made any difference. Then one day, didn't really, so we're here. Now if you notice, each of them, their color, well, the color of the alcohol is actually dyed. That is from the chlorophyll and chloroplast, which exited out the pores because of the alcohol. Now, if you notice, some of them you would expect, like the yellow is yellow. Not too much of a surprise there. Same with the green. But the real kicker for me is this one. This was our red leaf. Now it appears to be like an amber color for the alcohol, and the leaf is just like a yellow. I'm not sure exactly why, but it could be that the leaf wasn't completely changed the entire way through it, or different layers were different colors. There's always lots of variables. I don't know exactly how many we had for this experiment, but I found it really cool how the green and the yellow actually changed color and followed with their normal color. So if you want to try this out, feel free. It's pretty safe. There's only a few things you need an adult for. Not too difficult. It's fun. It's really neat to see. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also, check out Instagram @ScienceGirlRY. Don't forget to follow me. I love you guys. Have a great day. But for now, this is Science Girl.